ETL, you might have come across this word with this very frequently, and actually what does it mean? It is stands for extract, transform and load. It's a data integration process that combines data from multiple data sources into a single consistent data store that is loaded into a data warehouse or other target system. Okay. ETL provides the foundation for data analytics and machine learning work streams. Through a series of business rules, ETL cleanses and organizes data in a way which addresses specific business intelligence needs like monthly reporting, but it can also tackle more advanced analytics, which can improve back-end processes or end-user experiences. Extract. During the data extraction, raw data is copied or exported from source location to a staging area. Data management teams can extract data from a variety of data sources which can be structured or unstructured. Those sources include but are not limited to like SQL or NoSQL servers, CRM and ERP systems, flat files, other social media files, email, web pages, and so on. Transform. In the staging area, the raw data undergoes data processing. Here, the data is transformed and consolidated for its intended analytical use case. This phase can involve the following tasks like filtering, cleansing, deduplicating, validating, and authenticating the data, performing calculations, translations, and summarization based on the raw data. This can include changing the row and column headers for consistency, converting currencies or other units of measurement, editing text strings, and more on. Conducting audits to ensure data quality and compliance, removing, encrypting, or protecting data governed by industry or governmental regulators, formatting the data into tables or joined tables to match the schema of the target data warehouse. Then comes to the load activity. In this last step, the transfer data is moved from the staging area into a target data warehouse or any target system. Typically, this involves an initial loading of all data followed by periodic loading of incremental data changes and less often full refreshes to erase and replace data in the warehouse. For most organizations that use ETL, the process is automated, well-defined, continuous, and batch-driven. Typically, ETL takes place during off hours when traffic on the source systems and the data warehouse is at its lowest. There are various tools available in the market. Uh, these are more popular, but it is not limited to only this, like Informatica Power Center, Apache Airflow, IBM InfoSphere Data Stage. These are very much proprietary, and some of them are open source, but still that is open proprietary to that particular company. Microsoft SQL Server Integration Services is called SSIS, Talend Open Studio, Pentaho Data Integration, Hadoop, AWS Glue, AWS Data Pipeline, Azure Data Factory, Google Cloud Data Flow, Stitch, SAP, Business Objects Data Services, HEVO, Click Compose, Integrate. Okay. Uh, there are some tools which are available Python based. As we are going through Python area, I came across which are actually available in the Python, like which are developed in the Python, or those libraries are directly we can use. We can construct our own ETL tool, but already we can use them as it is also. So some these tool offer like Pandas, PySpark, Airflow. Actually, this Airflow is created by Airbnb as an open source project, and still people are using it outside. And Airbnb still it is using Mara, Bonobi, Luigi, Odo. These are actually have some offer complete end-to-end ETL implementation out of the box, and some tools help you to create a custom ETL process from scratch. And there are very few options that fall somewhere in between. So these all about ETL.